Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Yahoo Mail login page and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, it's important to check your spam and trash folders. Sometimes, emails can be mistakenly filtered there, even if they're important. Next, check if you have any email filters that might be redirecting or deleting your messages. Click on the sort in the upper right corner and choose Filters. Here, you'll see a list of all active filters. Review them carefully to make sure none of them are moving your incoming emails to specific folders or deleting them automatically. Another common reason Yahoo Mail might not receive emails is storage space. If your mailbox is full, new messages can't come through. To check this, click on the gear icon at the right and go to More Settings. Here, look for the Storage section at the bottom of the page. You'll see a storage meter showing how much space is used. If it's nearly full, delete old or unnecessary emails, especially those with large attachments. You can also consider upgrading your storage capacity if you frequently reach the limit. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. So that's all for this video. Thanks.